What's going on, E-fam? This is Julian. How are you guys doing today? On today's ride, this is the Easter Day cruise ride at Long Beach with LAESK8, and I counted about 40 electric vehicles, 40 EV riders today. This is the second half of the ride. We are here at Belmont Veterans Memorial Pier, and we are just cruising along, waiting for sunset, and this is how many people we have. So let's kind of assess here. Yeah, about 8 Super 73s, give or take. Not even 8, maybe 6. 6 Super 73s, lots of boards, some jets and bolts, lots of scooters, a few kids, and this is our ride. I think we should turn off the headlights. This is where we swap. No, we're not going back, but this is where we swap vehicles. I got more battery than you this time. Just kidding. I don't think so. Yeah. The back is where I get the action. If someone falls, I want to catch it. Just kidding. I'm just saying that the action is in front of me, so it's more in my view. Rolling with the S2 right now. Being even Steven is how we keep marriage working. So she gets half of the RX, and we get half of the S2, and we just flip back and forth, so forth and so on. That's actually the cool thing about being married, is whatever she owns, you own, and then obviously whatever I own, she owns too. Where'd she go? Some folks are pointing left, some folks are pointing right. Taken to the 2nd Street for a boba stop. Are we doing red lights? Looks like it's green. Wow, we got some bikers wheeling. Yo, and Mark showing off.
Good day, boys.
I see you, Mark. I see you. You know, right? Nice. Kind of learned that somehow. Yeah, buddy. Did you have to modify your bike to do that?
No.
Oh, really?
Just in your power band, anywhere between 4 and 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Just pull it up.
Interesting. Good stuff. Nice. There's no way I can do that.
You just gotta pull as hard as you can and keep on the throttle, and then when you start feeling it,
yeah.
You gotta take your brake sensors out. I mean, it's modifying.
Geez.
Taking your brake sensors out.
Got it.
That. Woo!
There we go.
Hell yeah! That's right.
He's gonna need new shoes after this ride.
Yeah, just hold on to that gas and just don't fall back.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Let's drive it.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
Well, that one's good.
There we go.
Alright.
Hold it. Wow, he's going zigzagging. Oh, there's a bunch of them behind me. Wheelie in it. Nice. You guys are skilled. Alright, I got absorbed with the wheelie horrors. This is great content. At least these kids are being active, so that's good. Rather have them wheeling it up on the streets versus doing something else worse. So that's awesome. There they are. Do you really have to zigzag and wheelie though? Does that help with the balance? Hey, good stuff, guys. Keep it up. I'm like a grandfather compared to them. That's a wheelie. That's a wheelie, Pat.
Oh man, I wish I could.
I know, right? I think there's a certain age where if you don't wheelie by a certain age, you're not gonna learn it. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Obviously. All right, break time is over. Let's roll. Let's get our guys' headlights on. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, met some new folks. Lots of interesting bikes here. And this Canyon bike is like 7K. Carbon fiber frame and more of a gravel road bike, but it's the cleanest weldings here. And it's the most expensive one. That's cool. Cool guy.
I like your
Oh yeah, I changed that too. So this is where the group kind of split. Fast riders go with Sawyer to Signal Hill, and we just hang around Long Beach. There's mountain bike trail there? Oh, nice.
mountain trail.
Oh, I didn't even know. Oh, you should tell me the route and we could check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, when I get my mountain bike.
Your mountain bike?
Yeah. All right. Definitely. So you're using a Specialized?
Yeah.
Okay. And electric Specialized?
What?
An electric or?
Electric, no, it's a battery.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
It's a battery.
Nice.
That's the first edition.
Okay.
Mountain bike, e-bike.
Oh, got it. Even those are expensive.
Yeah, during that time, 6,000 during that time.
Yeah. Wow. So you have a lot of bikes too then, it sounds like. There's jumps here. You see these little jumps? There's little jumps.
Oh.
You see this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This part is fun. Don't fall, kid. I don't want to capture you falling. Uh-oh. Nice. Nice work, kid. Ooh, scared me. I almost wanted to grab him. Oh, he's dancing. Oh yeah, cookies. Cookies. Yeah, that's a nice, clean-looking e-bike there. More expensive than an Onyx. They say you want to try wheeling when you're going uphill because it's supposed to be easier since you're already at an angle. But I don't really see a difference, to be honest. Aerial rider, caking us. Left on the lagoon. Let's see how busy it is on the bridge. Hopefully not too busy. One thing I wanted to know though, it's a very good mix of age people here today. Oh, I'm sorry guys, we're dusting up the place. What I mean is like there are young people, there are older people, and then there's middle-aged people. So that's really awesome for the cruise rides, kind of bringing all kinds of ages together. Just a nice kind of cruise. Nice leisure and safe cruising event. There's only 2 people. Oh no, there's like 6 people on the bridge walking that we would have to kind of maneuver by. Here we go. Hey yo. Feel free to join us, and I post it on our meetup group rides, and I also have it on and they also have it on Facebook. Oh, it's 80. 80, like 80 pounds. Yeah. Not as no way light as yours. Excuse us. How's your battery? On red? Well, that's just the first one. Yeah. When are you gonna change?
I'll change it when I can feel it.
Oh, you can feel it. Blaster speed here. 30 miles per hour. And that's it. I turned on our signals. I turned on our signals. It's almost sunset. You're it. Almost sunset. It's gonna be a good one. I feel bad. Some folks are out of battery. You got it. I'm following you. I think the Jets and Bolts have to call it quits, I think. Their miles are only around 18 miles. And it's a 1-gear kind of bike. Look at that sunset in the clouds. Looking for the seagulls to bike on the sand on. I'd like to storm more seagulls, if possible. I mean, if you have a bike that could go on sand, like the fat tires, obviously, that the Super 73 has. I think I would. It's just the maintenance, really, but not much to it. But let's just try to go on sand. Oh yeah, this is hard. This is hard. It's very soft today. Very soft. I definitely want to see the water. Yes, sir. Get a little more of that sunbeam here. Yeah, this is awesome. This part is the nice part. And people are still swimming. That's crazy. See that last beam of sunset? Oh no, I'm not getting wet. It's like 60 degrees out here, if not colder. Hey yo. Why does it smell like weed up here? Alright, let's get back on the group. Oh, slippery. Slippery and sandy. But yeah, if you had a Super 73, I think you would do the same thing. It's definitely eating my battery, but let's get it. Slippery, but we're back on track. All right, now this is probably the most concerning part of the ride, especially that it's busy now. This is where I typically like to turn my PAS off and just pedal. PAS off sounds funny, but yeah, so we're just manually pedaling here at 9 miles per hour with just pure focus and concern for everyone. Hello. Wow, there's a ferry boat ride now, I guess. That way, there's some folks that are going way faster than we are. But we're not competing. It's just way too crowded here. Almost there. Oh my gosh, so much people on their way. Yikes. We got a mid-air collision here. That's a lot of oncoming traffic. Alright, where did Crystal go? Seriously. Was she ahead? Was she behind? I honestly don't even know. Everyone just knows we're going towards the lighthouse. So let's get it. That's a steep hill. Did I actually beat everyone? No, we got one skater. All right. That's the ride. And that's the ride, folks. I'm pretty sure my battery's gonna run out, so let's do our outro. Hope you enjoyed today's ride. Happy Easter, happy holidays. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below. Stay safe and amazing out there. This is Julian signing out, and see you next time. Peace.